Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is absolute zero, the lowest possible temperature. 0 Kelvin equals minus 273 degrees Celsius. By the end of this video, you'll know the Kelvin scale. Absolute zero is the lowest possible temperature, where particles have minimum kinetic energy. Theoretically, they stop moving entirely. 0 Kelvin equals minus 273 degrees Celsius. More precisely, minus 273.15. The Kelvin scale starts at absolute zero and counts upwards in the same units as Celsius. Three things. 1. To convert Celsius to Kelvin, add 273. 2. To convert Kelvin to Celsius, subtract 273. 3. For gas law problems involving temperature, always use Kelvin. Common slip, using Celsius in a gas law calculation. P over T is a constant, only works if T is in Kelvin. Otherwise, you'll get nonsense answers like negative temperatures and negative pressures. Quick example, 25 degrees Celsius is 25 plus 273 equals 298 Kelvin. 100 degrees Celsius is 373 Kelvin. Minus 20 degrees Celsius is 253 Kelvin. Liquid nitrogen at 77 Kelvin is 77 minus 273 equals minus 196 degrees Celsius, used as a rapid freezer in labs and kitchens. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.